old machines. Like the caliber is completely different now. But I did that for 2 years. Then I joined another company, and I've been with the same company for about 5 years now. So if you're right now just done with high school, you have no clue what to do, any blue collar job will pay good. So HVAC pays good, construction, mechanics, electricians. The only thing I will say about mechanics, don't work on cars. Don't be a mechanic on cars. Be a mechanic on diesel trucks, semi trucks, industrial machines. Stay away from like whatever that people are not making money from. Like for example, the machines I work on, the customers I work at are making crazy money every week off the machines I work on. So think about that. They're always gonna have the money there. There's always gonna be demand. Then once you find what you want to pursue, there's all these types of schoolings. Like we're talking like there's so much, especially electricians, guys. Electricians, if you want to make 6 figures in 2 years, become an electrician. It's hard freaking work though. So I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible in this video. I'm not gonna try to yap too much. I'm gonna get straight to the point. All those fields are money, like places you can make 6 figures within 2 years easily. Okay, after that, how do you make even more money? Next step is work so many hours that you literally outwork everybody in your company. I have emails coming from HR saying I worked too many hours this year. That's when you know. That's when you know you're doing something right. So once you start making 100K, that's good money. But 150K is better money, right? So that's the goal. That's the goal you need to reach for when you're working at 9 to 5. My goal was always, I knew I would make more money because I worked so much and I got good so fast. I bought definitely the Hellcat prematurely, but I made so much money. I got good bonuses, worked crazy hours, got good raises. So I'm like, I rewarded myself. So that's why I would recommend, if you're in my steps, do what I do. Join any blue collar job that has some kind of schooling you can do, where you get paid to go to school, by the way. Do something like that where you basically will be guaranteed 6 figures after, with overtime, by the way. Overtime's everything in this field, by the way, guys, if you want to make good money. Do something like that, and if I was able to go back in time and restart, instead of buying any of these cars, all I would do is just reinvest into stock market, like just literally every month putting in 80% of my paycheck. If I really could go back, I would do that, and obviously you guys know why. Biden was president, everything was freaking through the roof, right? Then it dropped like super bad. I would have just kept buying it. And if I did that, guys, I would have made like already 40K from stocks. And then crypto, let alone, if you bought it at the wrong time, you lost 80%. So I would if I could go back, I would invest 20% of my income, and then like 15% of my income on crypto, and then 40% just on stocks. And that's it, guys. That's the blueprint. It's that simple. People are we're in this, every blue collar job I know, they're always hiring, guys. So all you gotta literally do is just search up what you want to do, whether it's plumbing, construction, mechanic, electrician. You know, all those fields, people are in demand, bro. Heavy demand. But what I've realized, nobody wants to freaking do this job, bro. No one wants to get dirty. Nobody wants to get dirty in this field, bro. That's why I became so successful, and that's why I'm able to afford these cars, guys. Honestly, there's literally, I'm not even kidding you when I say this. I was the youngest service engineer, I think, in the whole ever in the history of the company. I'm the youngest engineer to join the company, to join the apprenticeship they had. I'm the youngest. That's freaking insane. And I was trying to get, and then one of my friends finally joined. But after 3 years of begging him to join, he finally joined, guys. 3 years. That's freaking crazy. So if he joined 3 years ago, he'd be making 130K easily. And he didn't. And that's okay. That's fine. That's just. And he also works, he's a mechanic. He was a mechanic before he joined this company on like electrical cars. He was like wiring electrical cars, and that's another perfect example. Is like even guys are in the field, for some reason, guys, there's like no demand. So I know that 80% of you guys that are hearing this are not gonna do anything, and that's why this field's so demanding, and that's why I make so much money. It's because no one wants to do it, man. And if they, let's say like, well, you consider, oh yeah, I'll be down. You get the job, and you're lazy. To keep a job like this, guys, you gotta work hard, and you gotta learn to enjoy working hard. It's not, working hard shouldn't be like a it's crazy. Why is the music playing right now? are probably gonna quit because most people can't make it through, guys. I'll be honest. Most people cannot make it through this job, and that's why every time I start like, man, this is hard. I legit just endure the suffering now. It's like hitting the gym, right? You hit squats. Squats are painful, but if you learn to endure squats, you actually start enjoying leg day. I love freaking leg day now. That's that feeling, that pain. That's what you have to endure when you have a job like this. Oh my gosh, the echo's crazy. So I just gave you guys the blueprint. I literally just gave you guys the blueprint. You can make over $10,000 after taxes each month after 5 years, for a fact. 5 years of working your butt off, working so much that you literally pass people that have 10 years experience. That's how hard you got freaking work, period. There's no shortcut. And honestly, guys, working that hard is not that freaking hard. Like, just build that mindset to endure it, man. Oh my gosh. Dude, this freaking weather looks crazy. Alright guys, I give you guys the blueprint. No more freaking excuses, man. That's it, okay guys? It's time to hustle. I don't want to hear any more excuses. There's plenty of people trying to hire, and you're gonna find a good job. Yeah, I'm telling you guys right now, everyone is hungry for people. As long as you're willing to get a lower pay. So like, the biggest issue I've seen, guys, is, I'm not even kidding you when I say this. There's people with freaking master's degrees trying to get this job, and none of them get hired because none of them know anything. And if they do want to get hired, they gotta get a huge pay cut, and they're not willing to do that because they have a degree. So that's what I'm saying, guys. Like, be willing to go in for cheaper, but with just a high school diploma. And that's what I'm saying. Like, whoever's young, this is your guys' chance, man. I had to go through a lot of like jealousy because everyone that got hired was literally past 30, and I get it, you know, I understand, but it's never too late. It's never too late to keep going, right? It's never too late to freaking start a job like this, get a blue collar job, and just start working 5 years from now. If you want to win back your years, you gotta, the truth is you have to start a business. Starting a business comes with its own freaking worries. So I would say starting business is the best thing you could ever do, but also the hardest thing you could ever do. So I would just say, just learn to be content with the job, try to get good raises within the company, join a company that can afford paying you good, and just stay there, man. So like, if you don't want to go to the next level and start a business, you guys, you understand, when you start making 150K a year, everything gets cheap, bro. You can get a house, you can get a car, 2 cars, 3 cars. I could go for another car, but that's completely stupid. I didn't even actually make more money. I get more raises. So I'm waiting actually on my next raise, which is supposed to be huge. It's supposed to be like 25% because I negotiated for that. So in other words, guys, you gotta work hard. You gotta work so hard that you can literally negotiate easily. Like, I've never had to argue with my bosses because they know what I know. It's really that simple. They see the work. They know all the paperwork. They have all the paperwork on the table, bro. They see all the jobs I get done, all the people I train. So after you guys watch this freaking video, man, you guys better not be freaking lazy, man. You know, people keep saying, "Oh, it's my dream car, bro." One, I'm not even kidding you guys. If you guys get a job, any blue collar job, you would easily be able to afford 1 car. Would I say you should do it? No. But if it's like destroying you, make your own decision, live your own life. You know, you're an adult now, right? You can do whatever you freaking want with your money. It's not my business. But any blue collar job will literally give you the opportunity to be able to buy any car. That's it. That dream car is no longer your dream car. You freaking will have it. That's how it was for me, guys. And if I didn't do what I'm doing now, I would be an electrician for Edison. 100%, guys. If I'm not doing what I'm doing right now, which is electrical mechanical engineering on industrial equipment, I would join Edison strictly just being an electrician. Like, that's just the truth. So I'm telling you guys, there's nothing else to be said. This field, people are hungry. If you have a bachelor's degree, I'm sorry, you won't get good money because you don't know anything. Moral of the story is that if you have a bachelor's degree and you don't know what to do, get any job and get a pay cut, but learn. Learning in this field is way more valuable than a bachelor's degree, guys. I'm not even kidding you. I can get paid more than a guy with a master's degree. That's freaking sad. Because every single dude we've hired with an electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, one of the laziest people I've met. Lazy and complains. Oh, I'm tired of driving. Like, bro, what do you mean tired of driving? You're getting paid to drive, good money, and you're getting paid to drive. What the freak are you complaining? Like 80% of the freaking people that work are not getting paid to drive. Like, guys, come on. No more excuses, man. I know I usually don't talk this aggressive in my videos, but this is what it takes. If you want to make good money, this is what it takes. It's not fun. It's not easy. But if you learn to endure it, guess what? Hard work, annoying work becomes freaking fun. That's just crazy. And that's where I'm at right now, guys. And I wish I could go deeper, but sadly, everybody in my company knows my channel. People in other companies know my freaking channel. Customers know my channel. So I have to be careful what I say now, really, about especially the profits. And next year, I'll explain more on why I actually bought these two cars, not with the being the greatest investment. And you guys will see next year why. But I hope you guys got information from this video, good information. I hope you guys take the advice I gave you. I hope you take the advice I gave you, and I hope you guys push yourself to the next level. And yeah, man, just don't give up, guys. Endure the 5 years of suffering. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I can go back in time and tell you the years. I legit have 2 years gone to waste. Low pay, but I endured it. I was okay with them. Like, whatever, this I have to learn. I was totally okay with it, even though it sucked. I know I had no choice. The most important thing was I knew I was gonna learn so freaking much. And then with that, I negotiated because I already had a 2 years spent, or a year and a half spent, that pretty much didn't count for. And so no matter what situation you're in, guys, doesn't freaking matter. Just work hard, get information where companies are like, if we lose you, we're gonna suffer. Like, that's the kind of knowledge you guys need to gain, man. Like, customers, you need to be. I just got sent out to San Francisco. Why? Because I'm one of the only guys that knows how to install that machine. It's an automation system, and I'm one of the only guys that knows how to install it. That's the perfect example. There, you guys have the blueprint. That's it. It's done. Now freaking go apply and go hit up recruiters. Recruiters are willing to do it for free because they get money by these big companies to hire you. So if you can talk with recruiters are getting paid. You don't even have to pay them. You can get a recruiter. They get paid if you get hired, or something like that. I know they get some kind of commission because companies like big corporations that have money pay people like recruiters to hire you, bro. Like, guys, come on, let's get it. Come on, this year, come on, let's get it. Come on, hustle, guys. You guys get your dream car and you'll make more money to invest. Let's go. I just give you guys a blueprint of 6 figures without a degree, and that's it. There's no more excuses. I don't want to hear no more freaking excuses. Look at the freaking weather today, man. But this, I'm telling you guys, affording this car is not hard. That's why every time people be hating like daddy's money, dude, you're just freaking lazy. I don't want to hear about daddy's money when you're freaking lazy, okay? This is probably one of the most realest videos I've ever made, and this is the truth, guys. It's really not that hard, but I know that most of you guys, like, I'm not trying to be mean right now, most of you won't succeed. The reason why I say that is all my friends, no one wants to join this company. No one wants to help. No one, even the guy that does similar work also didn't want to join, even though the money's better. So you get paid more and you still don't want to join. That's, I don't know what psychology is in people's heads nowadays, but it's really not that freaking hard, guys. But it is not hard making money. You have to just work your butt off, and that's normal, bro. Endure the suffering, man. If you want to be able to afford a car, this is nothing. Guys, I make so much more money to afford this car. I literally have enough money to put a crypto, FBA, Amazon FBA, stocks, long-term stocks, everything. And I still have extra dough on the side. And I get to enjoy my life at 21. Like, come on, guys, that's no more excuses, man. You gotta just send it.